Hi, my name is QUAN. We're responsible to find the best elastomer ingredient for our company product. After having researched, we found that the SPR is the best elastomer ingredient for our company product. We found that there are two types of SPR with different properties based on the manufacturing process. For the first one is the emulsion SPR that is formed through the free radical polymerization, while another one is a solution SPR that is formed through anionic solution polymerization. As we can see, this is a general chemical structure of SPR, styrene butadiene rubber, which is made out of repeating unit of styrene unit and also butadiene unit. For the emulsion SPR, is produced by free radical emulsion polymerization, which can be further divided into hot and also cold emulsion of SPR. For the hot emulsion SPR, it is done at the 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, while for the cold SPR, it is done at 5 degrees Celsius. The hot emulsion SPR is a more branched polymer compared to the cold emulsion SPR. It also shows that several characteristics, namely good dimension stability, good extrusion, and also low mass linkage. For the cold SPR, it has a better abrasion resistance, better trip wear, and dynamic properties, but the most important is the mechanical properties shown in the cold SPR that is better than the hot emulsion SPR. The solution SPR is produced by anionic solution polymerization with the addition of initiator in a hydrocarbon solvent. The solution SPR shows good flexibility, good mechanical properties, low rolling resistance, which is most suitable for the vehicle tire application. The SSPR shows narrow molecular weight distribution, which provides stronger coordination effect in the SPR molecule. Last but not least, this is a training example of Pune House from Chemist Workhouse Company.
My name is TEOH, and I'm responsible to produce the pellets of the SPR. And there are a few properties of the produced SPR. The first properties are both tensile strength compared to natural rubber. This is because of the absence of the crystallization or stretching of the gum vulcanize it, but it can be improved by adding the reinforced fillers. The second properties are heat and aging characteristics are better than natural rubber. The operational temperature range of -50 to +100 degrees Celsius and they show no tendency to crystallize at low temperatures. Resilience and low temperature behavior of SPR vulcanizers are inferior. The third properties are poor ozone resistant. It can be improved by adding blending with EBPM incorporating anti-ozonase and protective waxes. The last properties are concerning the resistance. It does not resist to petroleum-based oils and greases or hydrocarbon fuels, but it resists to non-petroleum-based automotive brake fluids, silicone oils and greases, glycose, alcohols, water, and non-acidizing aqueous solution of acids, alkalis, and salts. Classification of elastomer of SPR can be classified accordingly. Concerning the chemical saturation of the polymer, SPR is the elastomer with highly saturated backbone, which have many double bonds to react with the oxygen and ozone and give poor ozone resistant properties. And SPR is non-oil resistant because of the hydrocarbon polymer chains without polar groups. The SPR is also not flame resistant unless contain high concentration of flame retardants. And flame retardants is very dependent on the presence of halogen, but SPR is halogen free. And the last classification is concerning the service performance, and SPR has general purpose elastomer. It deteriorates in hostile environments such as heat, mineral oils, fuels, oxidizing chemicals, ozone, and weather. The main advantages are the lower price and the good low temperature properties.
Hello, my name is CHOO. This is the rubber formulation, which the ingredients are styrene butadiene rubber with amount of 100, carbon black with amount of 30, naphthalene oil with the amount of 5, IPDD with amount of 1, stearic acid with amount of 2, zinc oxide with amount of 5, CBS with amount of 0.5, sulfur with amount of 2.5, which is the total is 146 parts per 100 rubber. Styrene butadiene rubber is the base elastomer and shows some common basic characteristics. Carbon black is a filler used to reduce cost, enhance the hardness, tensile strength, modulus, and tear strength. Next, naphthenic oil acts as processing aid which used to facilitate the processing operations. IPPD is an anti-degradant that used to retard the deterioration of rubber compound caused by oxygen, heat, and can be used to impart good adhesion properties to the compound. Moreover, stearic acid and zinc oxide is activators used to activate the accelerator and enhance its effectiveness. CBS is an accelerator which used to reduce the cure time by increasing the speed of vulcanization. Sulfur is a vulcanizing agent which causes the cross-linking of elastomer molecules. The vulcanization system used in the formulation is conventional vulcanization system, which is CV system, as the amount of sulfur used in the formulation is higher than the amount of accelerator. Conventional vulcanization system contains more polysulfidic crosslink which among 70% until 80% than disulfidic crosslink which among 20% until 30% with relatively high degree of polymer chain modification. CV system give the rubber hose which have high excellent initial properties like strength, resilience, and resistance to fatigue. CV systems have poor aging properties but better tensile strength because SS bond is unstable and weaker than CS bond. Thus, more polysulfidic bonds occur in CV systems make the aging property weaker and easier undergo oxidation and degradation. Thank you.
Hi, now it's my turn to introduce on my part. I'm Pang Wei from QC department. Now, let me introduce our company application. For SSBR, solution SBR is applied to car tires, footwear, and adhesives and hoses. For SBR, which is emulsion SBR, is applied to hard rubber battery box cases, military tanks pad, clutch pads, extruded gasket. That's all for my part. Thank you.